Hey, this is Wesley Dotson down here at Central Kentucky Classic Cars, and man, do I got a good one for you. I got a 1956 Chevrolet BelAir. This car's finished in beautiful Indian Ivory with tropical turquoise. This is the factory colors for this car with the tropical turquoise interior as well. It's got a 350 power steering, power disc brakes, vintage air, and fuel injection on this car right here. Fuel injected, brand new chrome US mag wheels and tires. Absolutely gorgeous, but we're going to take a look at it. If you have any questions on this car, you can give me a call at 859-621-5572. Go on my website at centralkentuckyclassiccars.com. We do offer shipping, and financing is available on any vehicle that we have for sale. And we're going to take a look at this 1956 Chevrolet BelAir. This car, like I said, is finished in Indian Ivory and tropical turquoise, and it is absolutely gorgeous. It's got the 700R4 automatic transmission in this car. Original style rear differential, and just really awesome and beautiful car right here. And we'll take a look at it. Paint and body work on this car is in excellent condition. Really nice and clean. We'll take a look at the passenger side of the interior first. Like I said, the interior is finished in the original style, tropical turquoise with Indian Ivory. It's got lots of chrome. They did do a small original style steering wheel with the tilt column. Really nice. It's got a nice radio in it, vintage air. Very nice. Rear speakers. Back seat looks good. Show you the headliner. All looks good. Very nice. Show you the bottom of the doors. Really looks good. So shut the door here. Doors shut easy. Just a very nice car. Take you around and show you the trunk here. Trunk is finished in excellent condition. It's got the spare tire and the jack equipment. Matching spare, original style. Does have the trunk sticker there. Really nice and clean. All inside the trunk. Chrome looks good. We'll shut the trunk here. We're going to start it up and see how it sounds. It does have a Vortex fuel injection system on this car. So all you got to do is let it build up a little pressure, and then you just start it, and it starts great. Plug my microphone back in. Got that plugged back in. Gas tank, gas refill is right here on 56 Chevrolet. It's one of my favorite spot things about a 56 Chevrolet BelAir. Really cool. So take you around and show you the driver's side of the interior here. We'll go ahead and cut this off. Cut this off and show you the driver's side of the interior here. Show you the doors. Door panel. But like I said, it's got a new tilt wheel with a smaller original style steering wheel. Seats look great. It does have an all new classic instruments dash that they put in, which is really nice. Radio, speaker, clock. It's really nice and clean. Really looks good. Well, we'll shut the door here. We'll take a look underneath the hood. Like I said, underneath the hood, it's powered by a 350. It's a newer model crate engine. It's got new Vortex fuel injection, power steering, power disc brakes, and vintage air conditioning on this car right here. Really nice and clean and really looks good. Doesn't get much nicer than this. All the chrome looks great. We're going to shut the hood, and I'll take one more quick look at the 1956 Chevrolet BelAir. Like I said, if you have any questions on this car, you can give me a call at 859-621-5572. Go on our website at centralkentuckyclassiccars.com. We do offer shipping, and financing is available on any vehicle that we have for sale. But we're going to take this car for a test drive and see how it does. All right, we're going to take this 1956 Chevrolet BelAir for a test drive and see how it does. Absolutely gorgeous day here in Kentucky. Perfect day to be driving classic cars. We're going to take this one out and see how it does. Said it has a classic instruments, brand new gauges. It's got a new radio in it. It's really nice, and we're going to take this car out and see how it does. It does have the 350 motor with fuel injection, and it does have the 700R4 automatic transmission with the overdrive. So So we're going to take it out and see how it does. So this car here will be ready to go. Here we go. Really runs and drives great, shifts through all the gears the right way. It's really just an excellent run and driving car. Car you can get in and go wherever you'd like to go. And the only thing you'll have to do with the car is get you a big shelf for all the trophies that you'll win with this car right here. So we're going to turn around and head back. I'll show you the turn signals working. I'm going to show them the other side too then. Working great. So. But we're going to turn around and head back. And like I do every time, I'm going to have Dad get on this car just a little bit. And we'll see what this car is made of. Got a little bit of traffic coming. As soon as it clears out, we'll be ready to go. Vintage air does work great. Blows out of the vents. There's the switches for it there. Cut it on and cut it off right there with the switch. And it has a place to plug your phone in for the radio as well. We'll cut the air off just so you can hear the motor while we're taking a drive, but here we go. We're going to get on it just a little bit. Car's got good power, shifts through all the gears the right way. Like I said, just a really excellent running driving car. Doesn't pull to the left or the right while you're driving it. Brakes are nice and they stop great. So, well, we are almost back here. And like I say every time, don't forget to like and subscribe on our page. Helps us out a ton. You can see more cool muscle cars and trucks just like this one. If you have any questions on this car, you can give me a call at 859-621-5572. Go on our website at CentralKentuckyClassicCars.com. We do offer shipping and financing is available on any vehicle that we have for sale. But we're going to show you what this car looks like underneath, and here's that underneath video right now.